In this video, we will learn how to convert normal text into text with two colors. First, I will make simple text with bold type and adjust the size. Selection, Objects, Expand, and OK. Object again. Ungroup. Now the text has become a shape, and you can set the color. Cut into two parts with a knife. Fill color. Last, give a little drop shadow. Finish. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.